Howdy, Hunt 50s. This video is just a short one really. It's off the cutting room floor of a ride which was just a spontaneous ride, but I was so tired I just took the camera with me and did a little bit of filming, but there was no real point to the ride except just getting out. But what it did make me think was that people who are interested in hunt wheels and are looking to purchase them, it's just what they're like on the road. Well, they're a fantastic wheel. There's definitely an aero advantage. I am quicker with these wheels than I was with the previous standard wheels that came with this TCR. They are noisy though. The noise comes from the carbon rim. As you are whistling along, you do get that carbon noise when it's running. And then also the freewheel hub, as many people have come across that. And there is another video in my episode about the freewheel hub noise. So, enjoy. Over there are the hills of the Lake District. All those lovely fell tops. But I'm going flat today, going very flat because I am just shattered. So there we go. Nothing too exciting, but they are noisy. They are fantastic if you are rattling down a country lane and there's a bird or a rabbit or something in the way. Freewheel and the noise attracts their attention and off they shoot. And the same with pedestrians too and other road users. So there is an advantage to the cool sounding freewheel noise, but also there's that fantastic sound of carbon bike with carbon wheels when you're giving it, the beans. It does sound cool. So, like I say, it's a bit of a random video. So, drop us a comment, give us a like, and we'll see you next time.